So yeah, that's that. And then for this unboxing, this is from Parade. They sent it to me for free, and like always, their small and mediums are all sold out. Everyone has the same size as me. Why can't y'all be different? I'm just kidding. Everybody is a size smaller or medium. I just can never get my stuff because it's sold out. Oh well. So this was the only thing left in my size. Literally, look, just this little freaking package. It's a small underwear, I think. I don't know, it's a boy short, I think. Wait. Ouch. I hit myself. It's because, ouch. Okay, let me open it. Ooh, it's so pretty. Dang, this looks big. Wow, it's so pretty. Okay, this looks like I could perform in this, like if you're a dancer. Well, I used to dance, but for the school, not like professionally. Don't get excited. I think this week I could have worn this, definitely, but it's too cheeky. You can't see your butt, like the under butt part, whatever. Wow, it's so pretty. It looks like a, oh my god, this is a dress to go out in. Oh my god, I just wish I had the matching bra, but whatever. Oh my gosh, you know what? It is what it is. And wait, what's the name? It's high-rise boy short, and it's in the color speckled foiled. They had like other stuff. I forgot the colors. I couldn't even get to see everything because when I went back to order, they supposed to send me 2 free items, right? And then when I went back, I accidentally forgot to add another one, and then it didn't let me. The freaking website didn't let me, and then I emailed them, and they never replied back. So whatever. And I tried 2 different emails, but you know what? I'm just gonna give up at this point because I didn't even pay for it. But you know, I just wish it was 2. Like I always get 2 free stuff. They always send me to promote. And obviously I'm not gonna model this. I don't want people to look at my butt. That's too private. But so I'm just gonna do a layout picture like this. I'm just gonna model it in my head like that. No, well maybe, oh, I could even use this as a bra. No, like cut it like this. I want this in a bra, not a underwear like this. Wow. Or in a dress. I forgot the collection. It's called Glitter something for, I don't even know. But yeah, someone's outside right now, so they're listening to me. It's pretty awkward anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna end it here. Oh yeah, and I also have 2 gift cards, so yeah, I better use it because I don't want it to go to waste. I cannot use these because I already have a discount code that I use, so. But definitely try that out, and they're branded, both of these brands. Okay, yeah, for now I'm gonna leave. Bye.